Let's assume you want to find out what are the apps that are connected to your Gmail accounts, and maybe there are some apps that you really want to relieve, or you just want to remove their access from your account. So how do you do that? So basically all you just have to do is to go to Chrome and type in myaccount.google.com. myaccount.google.com. All right, so when you type in that, let me just clear this. Okay, so myaccount.google.com, then you send it. It will bring you to this place. Then you scroll until you see security. So click on security. All right, when you click on security, just come down to where you find your connections with third-party apps and services. So click on it, see all connections. So see all connections. So there are some services that I want to deactivate. All right, there are some services I want to deactivate. So if you want to deactivate it, I want to deactivate this dribble. I'll click on it. I'll say delete all connections with dribble. So I'll click on it. It will ask me something, delete all connection with dribble. When you delete this connection, you might not be able to use some dribble features or confirm. So then I'll go and check other ones that I want to delete. So basically that's how you can do it. I'll delete Fiverr too. So he said delete all access. Yes. So basically that's just how to do it. I hope this video helps you. Do well to like and subscribe for more how-to tips. Thank you.